We expected that because it's a by-election and the main opposition party is not running.
Supreme Court rejects application for judicial review of criminal charges against former Education Minister Ruel Reid and CMU President Professor Fritz Pinnock. And Jamaicans say inconvenience during road work worth it. The latest in the RGR Gleaner Don Anderson polls.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Andrea Chisholm has our preview.
Well, Janella, COVID-19 coronavirus continues to send shockwaves around the world. And this evening, there's a warning that the global economy could grow at its slowest since 2019, and that's since 2009 rather. And I'll have the details in the business day.
Okay, thanks, Andrea. From Andrea, we go to Karen at the sports desk. Karen, what's coming up?
Well, surprise, surprise, COVID-19 hogging the international attention, and tonight we look at its impact on sports locally.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our feedback question this evening. How have you been preparing for COVID-19?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.